Good day everyone, this is our argument of PTSA. We choose alcohol consumption. As observed in today's generation, people are majority involved in drinking alcoholic drinks, particularly the youngsters. Alcohol is a drug, and like any drug, it holds a danger of toxicity and dependence. So the number one question is drinking alcoholic beverage really addictive? Yes, it is addictive because it is commonly used as comfort zone for persons undergoing stress or problems. Alcoholism, like other addictions, is ultimately a learned behavior. When a person's thoughts and beliefs come into play, stress can also play a major role in addiction, with alcohol providing a temporary and healthy solution from those comfortable feelings or stress. This coping mechanism can become a habit that seems impossible to break.
Is it bad to drink alcohol beverages at a young age? Absolutely yes. A young person's body cannot cope with alcohol the same as adults can. Drinking is more harmful to teens than adults because their brains are still developing throughout adolescence and well into young adulthood. Drinking during this critical growth period can lead to lifelong damage in brain function, particularly as it relates to memory, motor skills, ability to move, and coordination. According to research, young people who begin drinking before age 15 are 4 times more likely to develop alcohol dependence than those who begin drinking at age 21.
Our third question is, why kids and teens drink alcoholic beverages? Kids and teenagers are more likely easy to be influenced in any aspects. The adolescent years can be a time of great upheaval. The physical and hormonal changes can create emotional ups and downs as kids struggle to assert their independence and establish their own identities. According to United States government statistics, by age 15, nearly 30% of kids have had at least one drink, and by age 18, that figure leaps to almost 60%. Similar patterns are reported in other countries. While many teens will try alcohol at some point out of curiosity or as an act of rebellion, so there is no single reason why some decide to drink. So these are the major reasons why kids and teens drink. First is peer pressure. This is among the most common reason for underage drinking. As kids enter their teens, friends exert more and more influence over the choices they make, desperate to fit in and be accepted. Kids are much more likely to drink when their friends drink. Second is environmental influences. Films and TV can make it seem that every cool, independent teenager drinks. Alcohol advertising also focuses on positive experiences with alcohol, selling their brands as desirable lifestyle choices. Third, to cope with an underlying problem. The teen years are tough and kids may turn to alcohol in a misguided attempt to cope with problems such as stress, boredom, pressure of schoolwork, not fitting in, problems at home, or on mental health issues such as anxiety, childhood trauma, ADHD, or depression. Since alcohol is a depressive, using it to self-medicate will only make problems worse.
Number 4. To appear older, more independent, teens often want to prove that they're no longer kids. So, if drinking is exclusively for adults only, that's what they'll do. They may also copy your own drinking habits to establish their maturity. Number 5. Lack of parental boundaries. No matter how tall or mature we teens seems, we need boundaries, discipline, and structure as much as ever. We need the presence of our parents. We're still in their hands, and without their discipline, we're misguided. Therefore, involving in alcoholic beverages at a very young age, it may ruin your entire life. Parents are become essential in the growth of their children. It is their responsibility and obligation to take good care with their children in order to grow healthy and well-guided. As a youngster, you must avoid involving in any alcoholic drinks. You must know the bad effects of it. And things that you should always remember: think before you enter.